Hey y'all, welcome back to Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Put a little twist on it this week. So I went out Saturday. I'm doing my batch filming, so I am just wearing my promotion shirt. I don't feel like changing today. And went to Dollar General, did my coupons. So let me show you what I got. The total I spent was like $38.51. So I got the big size Lysol, and it had a 50-cent coupon off. I'm not going to do the breakdowns on it, but if I can remember how much the coupon was, I'll let you know. Clorox, because we got to get ready for that coronavirus. Okay. They had the Tide. Put this back in the bag. Oh, I might as well grab this. They had the big Purex 4-in-1 plus Clorox 2 for your colors. I got the Downy beads. I love these. These are so nice. These go really nice in your burner, your plug-in burner. Instead of buying all those wax melts, these are really nice too. And they go good on your carpet or in your vacuum, just in a little bowl, by your entryway, in your bathroom. A whole lot of things that you can actually utilize these for. And you can also use it in an air freshener by putting it in a water bottle with a spray pump on it and dilute it a little bit and spray it around your house. So that's just a few tips for the Downy. Now they have this new Dawn Platinum Foam, 5 times more grease absorption. So I picked this up. I can't stand no greasy dishes. And being that I have a small hot water heater, the hot water don't last. I hate renting. But anyway, you got to have hot water when you washing dishes. And then I add a little bit of bleach in my dishes as well, just to make sure that they're sanitized, because I don't have a dishwasher right now. I picked these up. Now they did have a coupon for Dollar General that if you bought 2, you got $3 off. So I got that Bora Bora. Oh, I love that Bora Bora. And then Always Gain, because I am a smoker. My husband and I are smokers, and I do not, even though we smoke, when you come in my house, you do not smell cigarettes unless I'm sitting here smoking. But 9 out of 10, you do not smell smoke in my house, because I keep Febreze and the whole 9. And I picked up the Dollar General disinfectant spray. It's the same information that's on the back of the Lysol, the cans. Same design. It's just the generic of Dollar General. Okay, and I read it at the store, and it does the same exact thing. I had both of the bottles compared to each other. It has the same type of ingredients on it. The only thing is that you're paying for the label. So if you're a label person, you may not want, to purchase this, but it's the exact same ingredients. So for disinfectant spray, and I got the fresh linen scent. And this was only $1, I think $1.95 compared to the regular Lysol, which is like $4. So you can get 2 of those for the price of 1. And then I got the Value Twin Pack Cherry Blossom for the automatic spray refills. And these were $5. So I have like the Glad machines that you stick them down in it, and then you set the timer, and then they go, they spray. So I treated myself and picked these up, one for the bathroom, and then one out here in the front room where I'm normally at all day. Okay, so we're gonna move on real quick. That's all my Dollar General stuff that I got today. I think it was enough, and I normally don't spend no more than like $15, but I had to really get things stacked in here. Oh, and then I also got, oh, it's all over there on the washer, but I got a 6-pack of paper towels. So for $38 for all these items, honey, and all name brand stuff, you know, I'm not a brand person. As long as it does the job, I'm good with it. But when I do my couponing, I do try to get, you know, the name brand items. Okay. So we're going to move on to Dollar Tree real quick. This bag has busted out. And I already done lost one item, but I'll just show you what I got real quick. I got a bowl. I bought 3 of these. I think 2 of them fell out in the car. I keep telling y'all about these large jumbo, you know, plastic bags. I use them for everything. If you're just first time viewing my channel, go back and check out my Dollar Tree Tuesday videos. And if you never purchased these bags will save your life. They keep everything in them. So I got 3 of them, but it must have fell out somewhere. I don't know where they're at. And then I had got a bag of toilet tissue for a paper mache project that I'm working on. My husband will hurt me if I would bring Dollar Tree brand toilet tissue in here. So this is not for personal use. This is for one of my crafts. And I'm just trying to check everything. Oh, and real quick, I forgot, I did get 2 snuggles. This was an excellent deal. I actually got these for free because they were $2 a piece. And then they had a coupon on the Dollar General site that if you buy 2, you get 4 off. So this was a steal. So I got these for free. And I love Snuggle. And these are so good. You know what? When I make my bed, I always throw one like underneath the sheet, and then I put them in my pillowcases. I love the smell of this. Make me want to get up and go wash some clothes. So I'm just trying to, because every time I do a video, I'm always leaving stuff out. So please excuse me for just like double checking, because I hate to add it into another video and then it's, you know, another week that y'all don't get to see what I got. But anyway, my name is Kel, and this is my channel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. If you're new to the channel, thank you to all my old subscribers. Y'all don't know how much I appreciate y'all. I could not do this without y'all motivating me, dropping down in my comments, leaving me beautiful comments to keep me, you know, pressing forward. If you know someone that may be interested in Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Walmart, thrift store, DIYs, sewing series, this may be the channel for them. Have them come on over. Go check out my 100 plus videos I have done, and they think this is something they may like. Tell them to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave me a comment that you just joined the fabulous If It Ain't Cheap. That's me. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Family, we would love to have you here. So, with that being said, as I always say, y'all stay blessed until the next video.